All right, welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're an Indian college student right now, you're probably juggling a crazy schedule of classes, assignments, and exam prep. But you also want to start building some financial independence, right? Well, you are in exactly the right place.
Absolutely. Today, we're basically bringing you a step-by-step masterclass. We're stepping in as your mentors to show you exactly how to earn your very first income from home. We'll walk you through how to use AI to build a seriously profitable side hustle right from your laptop. And the best part? Zero initial investment.
So, why are we so fired up about this? You just have to look at the numbers. According to recent surveys, literally 1 in 3 Indian college students is already using AI to generate some kind of income.
Just think about that for a second. While you're sitting in a lecture hall, a third of your classmates have already figured out how to monetize tools like ChatGPT. They aren't waiting around for graduation to start earning. They're taking action today. And we want to make sure you get that exact same advantage.
Okay, here's a quick look at our roadmap for today's masterclass. First, the AI income revolution. 2, top freelance opportunities. 3, passive income and blogging. 4, real-life inspiration. 5, a much-needed reality check. And finally, 6, a 7-day action plan. Let's dive right in. Section 1, the AI income revolution. You know, the biggest misconception out there right now is that AI is just this massive thing coming to replace human skills. But look at this comparison right here. Before AI, writing a high-quality SEO-optimized article manually, that might take you around 6 hours of grueling research, drafting, and editing. But when you treat AI as a force multiplier, that whole process plummets to just 90 minutes. That is a total game changer. It perfectly illustrates how a super busy student can actually squeeze lucrative freelance work right between college classes and exam prep. You're not replacing yourself, you're just speeding up the heavy lifting so you can earn without tanking your GPA. Moving on to Section 2, top freelance opportunities. If your immediate goal is to make your first 1,000 rupees online quickly, freelancing is the way to go because it requires zero upfront cash. You just need your laptop and a free ChatGPT account. On platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, freelance writing commands anywhere from 800 to 3,000 rupees per article.
Yeah, and if you look at social media management, like using AI to generate 30 days of Instagram captions, hashtags, and post ideas for local businesses, you can realistically charge between 15,000 and 50,000 rupees a month. And notice that ease rating on the right, 5 solid stars. Absolute beginners can jump into these roles simply by getting good at AI prompting.
But hold on, before you jump in it, you really need the right setup. As your mentors, we highly recommend you hit pause after this explainer and head straight over to technews12.com. For sure. You're going to want to search for their Best AI Tools for Students 2026 guide. It is literally a gold mine. It walks you through exactly which tools you need in your freelance toolkit to build a highly professional online profile right from day one. Honestly, think of it as your syllabus, except this one actually pays you. Section 3, passive income and blogging. Now, freelancing is amazing for that quick cash, but eventually you're going to want to decouple your time from your money. You want income streams that pay you while you're asleep or, while you're stuck in a 3-hour accounting lecture.
Exactly. And here are the top digital products you can create using AI to do just that. Ebooks can bring in 10,000 to 80,000 rupees per book on platforms like Amazon Kindle or Gumroad. You can also sell digital templates, educational printables, or even write scripts for faceless YouTube channels. You just use ChatGPT to structure and draft these products in a fraction of the time, and then you sell them infinitely with zero extra manufacturing costs. It's the ultimate side hustle.
And let's look at a real-world example of passive income done right. The site we just mentioned, technews12.com itself.
Yeah, this is so fascinating. The founder built this entire affiliate blog right from a home office in Surat, Gujarat. He used ChatGPT to outline and draft highly profitable SEO articles. By combining the rapid speed of AI with his own personal testing experience and local Indian references, he built a digital asset that earns passive affiliate commissions day in and day out. It completely proves you do not need a fancy office in a massive tech hub like Bangalore or Gurgaon to succeed.
All right, Section 4, real-life inspiration. We get it. Making money online can sound kind of theoretical at first, but this timeline shows how it actually builds in the real world. Beginners usually see around 8,000 to 20,000 rupees in month 1. By month 3, if you stay consistent, that jumps to 20,000 to 60,000 rupees. And by month 6, many are crossing that 60,000 mark. A really inspiring example from the data is an IT professional based in Ahmedabad. By adopting AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude into his freelance workflow after his regular office hours, he doubled his monthly income to 82,000 rupees in just 90 days. He didn't work twice as many hours, guys. He just worked way smarter with AI.
Which brings us to Section 5, the reality check.
Okay, let's pause the hype train for just a second. We have to give you a mentor-style reality check about online business, and it's summed up perfectly right here. ChatGPT is a tool, not a magic money machine.
This is so crucial. You can never, ever just copy and paste raw AI output and send it to a client. Trust us, clients notice immediately. Your job is to use AI to get that first draft done quickly, and then you add your human touch, your local context, and your unique creativity. That human element is what clients are actually paying for.
So, a question we always get. How long does it really take to hit 50,000 rupees a month?
Well, the data tells us it takes about 60 to 90 days of absolute consistency. That means showing up every single day, pitching clients, and refining your skills. If you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, you can just click away now because this isn't it. But if you have the discipline to stick with it for 3 months, the payoff is incredibly real.
Okay, Section 6, the 7-day action plan.
We definitely don't want you to just watch this explainer and then do nothing. So here is your concrete launch plan. Step 1, pick a single niche. Just choose either freelance writing or social media management to start. Step 2, set up a professional profile on Fiverr or Upwork.
Right, and step 3, build your portfolio. For this, again, go read the Work From Home Setup India guide on technews12.com. It's going to help you build a distraction-free home office environment, which is absolutely critical for your focus. Finally, step 4, pitch your first client. Honestly, offer a free trial if you have to, just to get that very first 5-star review on your profile.
Looking ahead, learning these skills isn't just about making some extra pocket money right now.
Exactly. It's about future-proofing your entire career. When you learn how to combine the raw speed of AI with your own unique human creativity, you make yourself unbelievably valuable to the future job market. You're literally learning how to massively scale your own income potential.
As we wrap up this masterclass, remember that your learning journey shouldn't stop here. We strongly encourage you to keep exploring. Dive into all the practical guides, tech news, and money-making resources over at technews12.com. It is seriously an amazing resource for Indian students navigating this new AI economy.
So, we've given you the tools, the roadmap, and the reality check. The ball is entirely in your court now. We want to leave you with one final question to think about. What will your first AI gig be? Seriously, don't wait until you graduate to figure this out. Start building your future today. Thanks for joining The Explainer.